Keeping track of your expenses on a regular basis is an important part of managing your overall finances. Not only does it help to see where your money goes, but it can also reveal to you your spending patterns. Luckily, there are various ways you can track your own expenses, depending on what works best for your lifestyle. Some consumers like a more hands-on approach in which you log each transaction as it happens, while others prefer creating a spreadsheet to capture a big picture look at their monthly expenses overall. There are even budgeting apps that automate the process, making it easy to keep tabs on your cash. Whatever your strategy may be, there is an expense tracking method out there for everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Living Fire. If you never want to miss an upload, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Number 1, track as you spend. The most active approach. Carry around a notebook and pen wherever you go, writing each transaction as you spend. Logging your spending in the moment helps you to be attentive to how often you spend, and it may encourage you to think carefully about each purchase that you make. If a notebook and pen are too much of a hassle to carry around, log each transaction in real time into your phone through an app like Good Budget. Users manually input each one of their transactions into digital envelopes, each with a clearly marked purpose. Number 2, track after the fact. Many people create their own Excel spreadsheets to track their expenses and stick to their budget each month. Choose a frequency, whether once per week or once per month, of logging your expenses, income, and savings goals. A little more laissez-faire than the first approach, tracking every week or month still requires discipline. Look to free online resources like downloadable budget templates to get you started. As you get into the routine, make a calendar event or a reminder to build the habit into your day. Number 3, automate the process. Unlike the Good Budget app we previously mentioned, most budgeting and expense tracker apps do all your logging for you. If you find yourself often forgetting to log your purchases, or you feel comfortable letting go of the reins, consider using an app that syncs to your bank and credit card accounts. There may be a slight delay while the bank processes your transactions, but ultimately, every purchase, savings transfer, and bill payment will show up on your mobile or desktop app. Most programs also link to retirement and/or investment accounts, so you can track your net worth. Many apps also categorize your spending for you. This is helpful if you think you've accounted for everything in your budget, but forget about the one-off purchases from time to time. Automatic linking nudges you to include a category for every expense and take the whole picture into account, not just the transactions we're most conscious of. The Mint app both links to users' accounts and automatically categorizes their expenses. And with that, we've reached the end of this episode, all about how to track expenses in 3 easy steps. Do you track your spending with the use of a notebook or an app? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and you found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Living Fire for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.